Good day. It's your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, home business coach and mentor, one half of the talk show Talks Over Drinks, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still out here making money. So I'm making this very short video. I'm gonna make it short for you guys. A lot of people want to know, what's your story? How did you get started? Well, here it is. After years of trial and error, I finally cracked the code. Over the years, I had joined every business opportunity that was thrown at me, and one after the other was a fail. A lot of my business partners, they ended up making money, and though I was happy for them, I just could not figure it out for myself. I had the determination, I paid the monthly fees, and I say fees because anything you pay for that does not return a profit is a fee. I did the three-way calls, I went to the meetings, listened to the trainings, watched the videos. The only thing I had really enjoyed was the personal development journey that it led me to, but the money is what I came for. I started to listen to people like Les Brown, Jim Rohn, Zig Ziglar, Eric Thomas, Eric Worre, Ty Lopez, Grant Cardone, and many others. I always liked music artists like Tupac, not just for being the GOAT in the music industry, but because of his philosophy and teachings. KRS-One, who in recent years through his lectures has given me a greater love and respect for all he has contributed to the culture. And even 50 Cent, more so through his Hustle Harder, Hustle Smarter audiobook. I say all that to say this. I had found something that I could say I was really interested in, but it was never presented to me in a business idea. Yeah, coffee seemed like a great idea, cryptocurrency, real estate, all those other niches that people talk about that I was told would make me money. I noticed that everybody that was successful in those businesses seemed to be happy promoting it and spoke from a place of enjoyment. But I was not happy promoting it. So let me tell you what changed. I didn't start to make money until I implemented the F.W.T.S System. What I knew was that I loved personal development and I loved helping people. Remember, for years, I didn't make money, but some of my business partners did, and that made me happy. I realized that I went to those trainings, those meetings, watched those videos, and joined those businesses just to help them grow. So what's the F.W.T.S System? It's simply this. Fuck what they say. Plain and simple. If it's not what you like or love to do, then don't get involved with it because it won't work for you. I love finding new things. I even love cartoons and animations. And I love helping people make money from home. That's my story. So what I want you guys to do right now is I want you to comment below. Tell me what it is that you love. And if it's not something that you love, tell me what it is that you actually like to do and that you can see yourself doing that'll allow you to live a life of freedom. And when I say freedom, I don't just mean financial freedom, because philosophy states this: a fool and his money will soon part ways. So it is critical for you to develop overall wealth, not just financial, but mental wealth also.
Hey, Chief. We got us one wrong.
Already.
This is that motivation right here.
Yes, sir.
The people need that motivation.
Tenfold.
Everybody go